here from Bicol University.
Carol Joyce Emiliano from Bicol University. Renee Marian Castro from Bicol University. Elise Walker from Bicol University. Leslie L. Delgado from Bicol University. Jenny Lee from Bicol University. April Males from Bicol University. Vanessa Tan from Bicol University. Nika Dalit from Bicol University. Jacqueline Bern from Bicol University. Sarah Jane Espiritu from Bicol University.
And now from Ateneo Delegat.
All right. You guys welcome Kagmanaba Uwas.
Thank you.
Courtesy of Playa de Condes. Okay? When we say Playa de Condes, nakita yung tatlong puro doon? That's the Trinity Island. So you guys are welcome anytime you come by.
Manaba Festival.
You tell Professor Dr. Bustamante Rañeses. Thank you. Thank you. Huh?